Hey guys, back with me again in this channel. So on today's video, I'm gonna give you a tutorial on how you can make a then and now video, which is now trend in TikTok on CapCut. So here I already have uh, 9 photos, and you can just add as many photos as you want, but I just add 9 like this. So I add like a photo of Zayn from childhood and until he's in 1D and now. So what you need to do is you can adjust, I'm going to just adjust the photo first so it fits the screen like this, the whole photo. So if you guys want, you just can find a photo that is in the same format. Okay, I'm going to go all of them like this, and then after that set the duration of each photos into 0.10 seconds like this, or just like 1 second like this. Okay, set it at 1 second. Oops. Okay, so I already made all of the clips into 0.10 or 1 seconds like this, and then after that just click on the transition. So go in between like this, just click on the transition and find basic and find the then and now transition. This one's right here, and then click apply to all. Okay, so it has been applied to all clips. Just click on the check icon, and here is the final result. Okay guys, so that's all from me. I hope this video will be helpful to you. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like the video, please give me if you enjoyed the video, please give me a like and smash the subscribe button down there, and also don't forget to leave a comment. That's it for me today. See you guys next time.